Okay, the fabric we are using is a stretchy fabric. As you can see, this part is stretchy. So we'll be folding the material into two like this. So in this way, this is how we are going to cut the material. You fold exactly to your body measurement because the fabric is stretchy. But if the fabric you're using is not stretchy, then when you're folding, you fold in a way that you are going to give allowance for your sewing. So I want to take the full length now. That's my full length measurement. Like I said, I am not giving allowance because the fabric is very stretchy. So this is my shoulder measurement divided by 2. Whatever thing you get there, you mark it out. And also my round neck, I'll be using 3 inches because I want it to be like a turtleneck. So that's the shoulder. And this is my armhole. My armhole is 20 divided by 2 is 10. So I mark it out like that. So I'll just connect the lines and then connect that of the shoulder. You know, your shoulder is going to have shoulder slope, so you come down by 1 inch for your shoulder slope. So this is shoulder to bust, then shoulder to waist, under bust. In most cases, it's not necessary. Like I said, if you're using your exact body measurement, so the best body measurement to use is your bust measurement because it seems to be the bigger part of the top. So I connect all the lines like this, the armhole down to the body measurement. So this is how you connect it. So this is me just cross-checking everything to make sure it's accurate. So after the confirmation, you just then you go ahead to cut out your fabric. You fold your second piece and then you place the first front pattern that you cut out on the second material that you fold. Mind you, I used 1.5 for this style because I wanted my own to be very long. Yes, so watch this closely. This is what I did. I cut the neck, but the front pattern, the front piece I placed there, I already marked out the front depth by coming down with just 1 inch. So that's what I'll be cutting out now. Yes, that's what I'll be cutting out now. I just came down by 1 inch. That's after getting the back. So I'm going to cut out everything now together. Please make sure when you're cutting out everything, the both fabric align to each other. So after cutting everything, like cutting them separately, I join them together like this, making sure they are aligned. And if your fabric is stretchy, use pin to hold it. So I'll join the both sides and the shoulders. So this is me cutting the hand. That's the sleeve. I folded that remaining fabric into 4 because I'll be cutting the both sleeves together. So this is my sleeve length. So what I will just do after marking the sleeve length, then with that you get your upper sleeve and then your down part. That's the round sleeve. That's my armhole. This is a part most people get confused about, and I'm going to be dropping a detailed tutorial on how to get the perfect sleeve. So what I did here is the bigger part of the arm, like directly under your armhole, you take the measurement of that, divide it by 2, we get that first one. Then the sleeve, where your sleeve will be stopping, you take the measurement of that, divide it by 2, then you connect the both of them together. That's how you get a perfect sleeve. And after everything, make sure you go back to measure that armhole. If it corresponds with your actual measurement for your armhole. If it doesn't, you can just make some little adjustment before you go ahead to cut. So this is me cross checking the sleeve length again. I will not be folding mine because my fabric is very stretchy and it doesn't bring out hair, so I will just cut and then sew like that. So that is it. If you've watched up to this time, please do wait to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Thank you for supporting my channel. So this is it. After cutting, please don't forget to notch your sleeve so you to enable you join. So this is the finished work. What do you think, guys? What do you think about this? It doesn't take much time to make this.